Hello, everybody, and welcome. As we like to do every week, we like to take a look at the past week's market activity and then bounce around the market and look for something to trade. Obviously, you notice now we're doing this at a different time, and that's because it's earnings season, and I want to teach you a new skill on how to trade earnings. So we're going to look at the market real quick, and the market is open now, but really we're not so worried about what the market's doing because we're going to be trading earnings. So just a quick recap on where we're at. This is obviously live. This is the S&P 500. You can see in the last couple of weeks we've been shooting up to the moon. Volatility is a little bit kind of bouncing a bit, and that's because there's a lot of economic news coming this weekend. This week. This is the NASDAQ, pretty similar looking story. And of course, the Russell's the only one that looks a little bit different, which is kind of more near its highs than the other two, kind of higher highs than the other two. But again, that's the market. But we're going to learn a new skill today. We're going to learn how to trade trade earnings. And we're going to go to Microsoft, which has earnings today after the market closes. Now, a couple rules about trading earnings. And by the way, at the end of this, I'm going to give you access to one of my private courses, which teaches you how to trade earnings. It'll be a discounted coupon for a little while during earnings season. So take advantage of it. I think it's less than 90 minutes, and you'll be able to do all this on your own. I'm not going to give you all the how-tos here, just kind of blow through it right now. So we're going to put this trade on based on the last hour of the market. You can see because earnings are here, volatility is very high, which is good. We are in Microsoft, and if you look, so we're going to trade earnings. Again, this trade goes on in the last hour of the market. If I go to a trade page, you're going to see here MMM, which is market maker move. This means the market is expecting the stock to move up or down around $24. We're just going to round it to 25 to make it easy. In my course, you'll learn how to figure this out on your own if your platform doesn't do this for you, as well as the other rules. We're going to go to the shortest option cycle available, which is right here. So there's 2 days left on this one. I've already set this thing up for us. So essentially the stock is at 480. I'm going to go up $25 and down $25. So up $25 would be 505. Down $25 would be 455. This is a $2.50 wide strikes, so that's what I'm going to do. Turn this into a $2.50 wide iron condor. And here, credit not as important. Usually it's 82 cents or more we're looking for, but on earnings we can play around with it a bit more because it's a one-day trade. We're going to take this trade off tomorrow morning when the market opens. So right now this is the earnings trade. It's in Microsoft. We'll put this on the last hour. We're looking to collect, around 80 cents or more. We're going $25 up, $25 down, and that's because the expected move is around $25. And we'll look to take this trade off as soon as the market opens tomorrow, and let's say the first 15 to 30 minutes of the market opening. Again, hang on a quick sec. I will show you, I'll show you right now. So this is the course that I'm talking about. I'm going to attach this as a link or write the link below as well. You can click on the links or use the links here. This is a private course, so you're going to need to put in the password sharpertrades.com to get access to it. And the links will take you to the discount, or if you just use this link right here, you'll type in earnings to get the discount on this course. And this is the most discount I can do available to Udemy, so that's the best I can do right now. So jump on it. Do it now because earnings season is just starting, so you could use this information for the next probably month to trade earnings if you like to trade earnings. These are high risk, high reward kind of trades. So jump on it. Again, hopefully this is valuable, and hopefully our Microsoft earnings trade is a winner. Take care.